My name is Rachel Tay.
My name is Ethan Yan.
My name is Lazib.
My name's Alicia.
My name is Leanne.
I'm Andrew Tomac.
I'm Valerie Wansink.
I'm Evan James.
I'm Anya.
My name is Sophie.
My name is Linnea Kelly.
I'm Lucas Starling.
I'm Isla.
My name is Kaidi.
My name's Abigail.
I'm Sabina Jenkins Ortolano.
I go to Ithaca High School.
I go to school at Ithaca High School.
I just recently graduated from Ithaca High School.
I go to school at Ithaca High School.
I go to Ithaca High School.
I'm going in my senior year at Lansing High School.
I'm a sophomore at Lansing High School.
I go to Ithaca High School.
Ithaca High School.
IHS, Ithaca High School.
I go to Ithaca High School.
I go to Groton High School.
I go to Hassall Academy in Arkansas.
And I go to Ithaca High School.
Groton.
I go to school at Dryden High School.
I really want to pursue a science field, so anything having to do with chemical engineering would be very interesting to me. And I really like researching, but I think wet lab experiences are quite fun. So if I was able to work in a lab and do research with like hands-on activities, that would be something I would really want to do in my future.
I'd like to go to college and major in engineering probably.
I plan on studying agricultural and information sciences.
I think I want to go to college and study something that has to do with science.
My future plan is to go to college and study something related to music or art.
After high school, I want to go to college and pursue something like a sysadmin, working on servers or something like that.
I want to probably go to college and work something in the arts.
I'd like to adopt a couple dogs.
I think I want to be some sort of scientist. I'm not sure about what kind of science or scientist yet, but that field has interested me a lot.
I'm thinking about going to college potentially for agribusiness.
I'm focused on going into the business industry or engineering industry.
I want to study criminology or business, but I'm still thinking about it.
I want to do something in the medical field.
I want to go into plant science of some sort.
I do Science Olympiad at my school, and also I'm planning to join the math team next year because the teacher who's running it is a really good teacher.
I do CCYO. It's a youth orchestra in this area, and I'm also involved in Code Red, which is a robotics team at the high school.
While I was in high school, I participated in Science Olympiad and Medical Careers Club.
I play the violin.
I do French club and art club at my school.
In spring at my school, I'm part of the track team.
I like to swim, participate in all the musicals, and I'm a part of the multicultural club.
I do a lot of musical theater.
I play the piano, so I take piano lessons, and I'm also part of Code Red Robotics at my school.
I'm on the high school's swimming and track teams.
I play soccer, basketball, and baseball in high school sports.
I play bowling and ice skating.
I play hockey and piano.
I go to Finger Lakes Gymnastics.
I take part in my high school garden club, and I like to draw.
Oh yeah, I do have a pet. I have a pet bird named Mango.
I play the violin.
I have a pet cat named Mishti.
I play tennis.
I like to play video games.
When I was in first grade, I was very embarrassed that I didn't know a lot of words, so I would make them up and tell them to my teacher, and for some reason she believed me.
I love learning different languages and speaking languages.
I've got a dog named Momo, and we take her hiking sometimes.
I moved state 3 times.
I have a twin sister.
I have 2 big white fluffy dogs.
I like to golf, and I like Legos. So.
I speak Persian, and I'm from Iran.
I have a cat named Matilda.
One of my paintings won first place out of my high school.
I like learning languages.
I'm really excited to be continuing working here at BTI, but also my aunt is renting a lake house later on in the summer, so enjoying time with my family, I guess.
Just finishing up with BTI. It's been really fun seeing the end result of everything I've done so far.
I'm most excited to work with the Alliance for Science to counter misinformation about food security and synthetic bio.
We're going to Florida in August.
This summer, I'm planning on sewing a dress, so that will be fun.
I was most excited to start this internship. It was one of my first times that I did anything working related, plus it also related to what I really enjoy and want to do with the rest of my life.
And I'm most excited to make connections and help BTI on their mission and make young people excited about what BTI does.
To finish this job at BTI.
Probably going back to a camp that I like to go to.
My birthday and also a trip to Toronto that my family's making soon.
I'm really excited to just learn as much as I possibly can in this really cool environment.
I'm gonna go to Florida in August.
I'm excited for finishing senior year and learn more about human resource.
To play hockey this summer.
Going to the lake and visiting my sisters.
I'm looking forward to hanging out with my friends.